Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys today. I will be showing you guys how I achieved this black smoky eye. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look right here, then just go ahead and keep on watching. First thing I'm doing is priming my eyes. I like to prime with concealer and then set it in place with some translucent powder. For today's palette, I'm using my Morphe X James Charles palette, and I'm going into this orange shade right here, and I'm just going to be applying this into my crease, going all the way from the left to the right, all the way from the outer corner to the inner corner, and just really focusing on saturating this shade just right smack in the center of my crease. Next, I'm going into my angled brush and this dark brown shadow, and I'm just going to be applying this as my line of definition, and this is just how I like to build depth in my crease. I like to slowly build it, and I like to saturate the darkest color in a very precise way, so it makes it really easy for me to blend it in a very controlled way. That way I won't blend too high into the crease, so I'll show you guys how I do that in the next step. So I'm going into my small tapered brush and going back into this shade right here. This is a lighter brown than the shade that we applied the line of definition, so this is the perfect medium between our first transition color and that darkest brown shadow. So I'm just going in left right motions over top of that line, and as you can see, it already gave us a lot more of a gradient. Next, I went into my angled brush once again, and this time I dipped into the black shadow in the Morphe X James Charles palette, and the black eyeshadow in this palette is absolutely phenomenal. So you can go ahead and use any black eyeshadow that you have in your collection. I feel like all of these shades are pretty easy to find in your collection if you have like basic neutral palettes. And then I'm going back into that small tapered brush with that darkest brown shadow, and I just went in left right motions over top of that black line to diffuse it. And then I'm going into this liquid shadow by Morphe. This is in the shade, it's in the shade Flicker, and I absolutely love these Morphe liquid shadows. They're super pigmented, and it's really easy to just get that defined look. So I didn't even cut my crease for this look because a lot of you guys have been asking for us to do some non-cut crease looks, so I just decided to not do that, but it still made the lid shade look super clean. And then I went into my small tapered brush and my black eyeshadow, and I'm just doing dragging inward motions and blending that into that lid shade. And then I picked up my Anastasia Beverly Hills black liquid liner, and I'm just creating a wing with that and then peeling off my tape. For lashes today, I'm applying my Shop Sofie Bella Bahama lashes, and we still have these available in stock, so check out the link in the description box if you want to check those out. And then I'm going into my CoverGirl liner and just applying that into my waterline. And then for my lower lash line, I'm just going into that first light orange transition shade and just buffing that onto my lower lash line, and then going into that black shade and just really putting this all the way from the outer corner to the inner corner with my angled brush, and then mixing the two shades together. And then I'm just going into my Fenty Beauty full frontal mascara and applying that to my lower lashes. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm picking up my Pixi Beauty Subtle Sunrise highlight, and this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up to help support our channel, and go ahead and comment future suggestions, or just comment down below to say hi. I love reading your comments every single day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!